Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, I have 3. Correct. To open a door. Number 2, what does Bob? Yeah, that's right. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob has 3 keys. Bob has 3 keys. Keys. We use keys to lock and unlock doors. Now we can make a flashcard for key. Please make a card like this. Write key up here in the top left corner, K-E-Y. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 84 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like E. Key. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer needs water every day. Jennifer needs water every day. Jennifer needs water to be healthy. For her body to function properly, she must drink water. Now we can make a flashcard for to need something. We also say to need to do something. For example, Bob needs to go to the hospital. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to need something. Up here in the top left corner, N-E-E-D. Down here, V1. This means verb, level 1. Over here, the number 41 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like E. Need. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned I have 3 keys. Correct. K-E-Y-S. Number 2, what does Bob need? Yeah, we can help him. Maybe he needs some money. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? The drain. Yeah, this is when you wash your hands in the sink. The water goes down the drain. Very good. Number 2, a giraffe. That's a big animal in Africa with the long neck. Correct. Number 3, what happened? Yes, this means what took place. Today is Thursday, August 14th. Show number 189. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say key in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.